everyone, Tim Schofield here. It's time to check out Amazon's latest tablet, the Fire Max 11 with a 2K 11-inch display. You also have accessories that go with it, including a keyboard case and a stylus pen as well. Big thanks to Best Buy for sponsoring this video and sending these over for us to check out. This is obviously available at bestbuy.com for in-store pickup and fast delivery options. I will link to everything down in the description. Anyways, we are going to unbox the Fire Max 11 and its accessories, get some hands-on with this tablet, and show off some of the cool features it has. Let's get started. Here's the new Fire Max 11. Looking at the back, octa-core processor, 4 gigs of RAM, and the latest Wi-Fi 6. Opening the box, we have our tablet. We also have our getting started guide, an ejection tool. Before we get to the Fire Max 11, want to quickly take a look at the keyboard case and stylus pen. You get a starter's guide for the keyboard case, and this comes in 2 pieces. First of all, the back plate, which will go on separately and also flips up as a kickstand. We'll show that off in just a second. And then just a quick look at the keyboard, which magnetically attaches to the tablet, plus has a touchpad. Inside for the stylus pen, just the getting started guide, you have a tool to take off a tip and the extra tip. And here is our stylus pen, which does have an action button there. Grabbing the Fire Max 11, quickly pointing out, this is a magnetically attaching stylus. We'll dive into more detail in just a second, but want to quickly show off, this is just a premium looking and feeling case. This is the back piece, and you can have both on at the same time with the stylus attached. A quick close-up of the hardware. On the right side, you actually have a micro SD card slot, so you can expand the storage. You've got a couple microphones, USB Type-C port, volume rockers, power button, which has an embedded fingerprint scanner in it. At the top, you have your dual Dolby Atmos speakers along the left side, absolutely nothing. And flipping it over, an 8-megapixel rear camera, and just a closer look at that color with the Amazon logo. The setup process was super simple, just signed into my Amazon account and made sure to set up that fingerprint scanner to unlock, which works well. The home screen's pretty user-friendly. You can continue content up at the top and you have all of your applications. Also your library of books, apps, videos, etc. And then you have the For You tab to discover other content, different applications, movies, even books to read. With that large 11-inch display, it's great for watching content, whether you have a streaming app like Disney+, Netflix, Hulu, Max, of course, Prime Video. You have access to so many TV shows and movies. And don't forget, you can always watch your favorite YouTuber. The speakers do have Dolby Atmos, and you can use Amazon Music or Spotify to listen to some of your favorite songs. And of course, the Fire Max has the Kindle app, so you can get the full Kindle ebook experience. You can download, read all of your books, or access Kindle Unlimited. The accessories were super simple to set up. There was no setup. You just attached it and it was good to go. The back case is nice because it does have that kickstand built in, and the keyboard is detachable. This full-size keyboard was comfortable to type on. It's great to have the shortcuts up at the top, and you can even go into settings and customize your keyboard shortcuts. And don't forget about that magnetically attached stylus, which you can get up to 6 months of battery life with. There's over 4,000 levels of pressure sensitivity inside this stylus pen, which makes it great to do some drawing or even writing. And even while you're in a meeting, on a Zoom call, watching a lecture, it's great to have that open on one side, and on the other side, maybe OneNote to take notes from the presentation. And again, with that vivid 11-inch display, combined with the powerful graphics processor, the Fire Max 11 gives you an immersive gaming experience. Games do look really good and run very smoothly. There's a ton of them found in the App Store. There's even a game mode for an optimized gaming experience, which is distraction-free, and you can focus on your game without any notification interference. And on top of that powerful processor, Amazon says you can get up to 14 hours of battery life, which will get you through the day very easily. And don't forget, you have Amazon Alexa built in, so you can use smart home controls, you can play a trivia game, you can have it read an audible book to you, you can search for content, check the weather. There's a lot of different things you can do with the Smart Assistant. And something I really like, you can ask Alexa, or up at the top when you swipe down, oh, it activated, you can go into show mode, and that will put it into an Echo Show-like mode when you're not using it. Maybe it's great if you have it on your bedside table to use as an alarm clock, lets you know various information. I have an Echo Show in my kitchen, so this just imitates that, and I can have two now. The 8 megapixel front and rear facing cameras both record in 1080p, which is great for video calls. It's nice they didn't go with 720p, just makes those video calls look a little more crisp. So overall, that is everything I want to talk about for now with the Fire Max 11 from Amazon. Great to have such a large display with premium, strong magnetic accessories. And don't forget, having expandable storage in a tablet is such a plus. So anyways, that's it for me for now. Again, be sure to check out the links in the description. You can pick this tablet up at bestbuy.com. I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to click that thumbs up button. Be sure to subscribe as well. A lot more content coming soon. As always, thanks for watching.